Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter Ni to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll add in Greek alphabet 13th letter. So the Greek letter Ni is the 13th letter in the Greek alphabet, and to actually show this letter, the LaTeX code is a \NU, and then we'll add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So when we run this cell, we now have the Greek letter Ni here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the Greek letter Ni to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.